Guys, say hi.
Hi, this is the second part of our Guatemala trip, and the next city is Antigua. You probably heard about Antigua the island. Unlike the island Antigua, the city is just a small touristic settlement in Guatemala, surrounded by volcanoes, striking by its natural beauty and fascinating by its Spanish-looking buildings and historical ruins. No wonder, Guatemala used to be a Spanish colony once. But nowadays Guatemala is one of the must-see places if you travel to this country. Speaking of the activities inside the city, there is not much to do, to be honest. You can just go around and visit the local cafes, shops and bakeries. But to be fair, it's hard to find regular cafes that beautiful inside with all the greenery, flowers and even exotic birds. Other interesting thing in Antigua is the historical ruins. Mostly they are basilican type churches. They can appear almost anywhere in the city. Just look at this McDonald's. Have you ever seen anything like that before? It has a beautiful inside yard with some vegetation and flowers. And here we're heading to the Central Market. Of course it's probably the most well known in this area, but don't be deceived by this. There are smaller markets. And if you're a real shopaholic, make sure you visit them as well.
So, what do you want me to buy?
Food.
In the market, you'll find a lot of artisan goods, clothes, leather bags, souvenirs, spices and some other food related stuff. Most of the products are made by indigenous Indian people, so it's a quite unique place to do shopping.
See.
With the cream.
You wanna try?
No, for you I mean.
Oh no, we're ready to it's enough.
If you plan to cross the bigger distances, I would suggest you to take a motorized tuk-tuk. It's a lot of fun despite the trip being a little wobbly with these cobblestone roads. We rented a tuk-tuk to go to the place called Cerro de la Cruz, which is the best lookout point to see the city from above.
Oh wow. Look at this.
Guys, just look at the volcano in the background. It's indeed the best spot to take memorable photos. Here we just wander around the city. I left this footage uncut so you can better understand the vibe. The important spot to visit is Central Square. It's very nice inside in general and it's surrounded by good quality eateries.
Home Alone 2.
No, I didn't. Ah, it's this guy.
So we're going to the farm cafe. What's that, Father? Can you tell me?
It's a farm with a coffee.
Cool.
Looks good, eh?
Yeah. Nice, huh? So this is the farm, and there's a little shop off the farm where you can buy organic products. So this is a cafe among the beautiful trees. Which one do you like?
Everything. Me. Look, they are eating all the time.
And now we have come to the highlight of this trip. Best thing you can do in Guatemala, and you have no right to skip it, it is to climb one of the volcanoes. We found a local company called GT Adventure, and all in all it was a great trip. I cannot complain, the guides were pretty professional and it was organized very well. We were given different choices, and the most appealing for us were Pacaya and Acatenango. Volcano Pacaya is less intense climbing and the opportunity to see lava really close. We had chosen the first option and never regretted it.
Look at this view. We're on the Volcano Pacaya. Well, what are you doing? How are you doing, God?
Very good.
You good?
Smiling.
So we came to our base. There you can see lava coming from the top of the volcano, Pacaya. And this is our base. We're gonna have a night here, and depending on the weather we will climb the volcano today in the evening or tomorrow in the morning.
It took us around 40 minutes to reach the top and we started setting the base. In the late evening we went to see the lava. Important thing to notice is that lava is not coming out all the time. That's what we've been told by the guides, but I guess we were very lucky that day and it was there and it was amazing.
It's already there.
This is fucking cool!
We go closer to lava. Hola. Have you ever played the floor is lava? Have you ever played the floor is lava? You have a beautiful chance to do that. God. Wow! Yes! Can you imagine this? Oh my god!
In the morning we woke up pretty early and we went up again to have a great breakfast with coffee.
This is why we woke up at 4 in the morning to see this. Oh my god.
It's hard to show all the vibe through the camera, but I tried my best.
And lava is still coming there. You can see that.
Tea. Coffee. One tea, thank you. Ah, no. No, well, coffee. Yes.
First coffee. You're Italian. What the fuck? First coffee. Going to make
It was a great trip and overall one of the best moments in this trip. Next stop will be Lake Atitlan. See you in the next videos.